just witnessed that fifth and final set between Signal and Furon. Signal finally pulling away 15-9, being the final numbers on the scoreboard on that last set. Of course, I'm very honored at napakasaya ko kasi katabi ko ngayon ang ating player of the game, tong si Joves Gonzaga. Nako, Joves, congratulations. Nako, we saw both teams alternately winning the sets. Napakalupit at init ng labanan nandito. Pero ano bang ginawa ng team mo para maipanalo yung final, crucial, and most coveted fifth set na yan?
Siguro napakalaking factor yung pinagpahinga kami ng fourth set kasi medyo nararat na kami and naapektuhan na yung focus namin. So naka-refocus kami that time, naka-meditate kami. And so far, naging maganda yung outcome ng laro namin ng fifth set. And lalo na nag-instruct si coach na more in combination plays kami. Nag-focus muna kami sa first ball receive namin. Since pag wala na kami first ball receive, nahirapan na kami kumatake.
Having said that, that was truly a much-deserved victory in your court, Jones. Pero alam rin natin na grabe, kakalipat mo lang dito sa Signal HD Spikers, yet you were able to lead your team to victory right away. So from a leader standpoint, ano pa ba yung mga improvements na gusto mong makita sa team mo para sa susunod ay mapanalo niya na kagad yung game?
Unang-una sa lahat siguro yung gelling namin kasi medyo nagkakapaan pa kami. And isang bagay pa yung service receive namin. And lalo na yung service namin, medyo hindi pa ganun ka-powerful. And yung receive namin, which is hindi kami nakaka-convert ng points since nga na hindi kami consistent pa sa receive.
All right. Well, Joves, we're definitely looking forward to seeing the improvements in those areas.